Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NC Rizal Properties. Right, so we're here in Greenwoods Executive Village. So kung mapapansin nyo, corner property. Right, corner property po ito. Okay, papasukin ko lang yung loob ha. Alright, so nandito na ako sa loob ngayon. Hindi ko na pinakita dahil doon ako dumaan kanina sa may service gate. Dahil sarado po itong ating pedestrian gate dito. Okay? So again, you're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. This is a corner property. Right? And ito, yung carport vehicle is good for 2. Okay? And then kung mapapansin nyo, covered na po yan. Right? And then yung gate niya, ayan po. Okay? So yung parking gate natin. And then, supposedly, dapat dito po ako dadaan kanina, kaya lang po, nakalaki. So, doon ako dumaan sa kabilang gate kanina, service gate. Okay. So, yan. Right? So, naka-covered na rin yung lanay area natin. Papasok tayo dito sa main door. And welcome to your new home. Right? So, yung lot area natin dito is 146 square meter, and then yung ating floor area is 236 square meter. So living, and then ito yung ating dining area connected sa ating lanay area, and may nakikita ako na naka-installed na split type aircon, right? Then, yung ating kitchen area. Okay? So, iikutin ko lang muna para makita nyo. Right. Then, dito, meron tayo ditong powder room for visitors po. Right? So, yun yung ating living area. Okay? Unahin ko muna dito. Sa labas, meron tayo ditong maid's quarter with toilet and bath. Right? So, ito yung space para sa maid's room. Then, ito yung setback yung pinanggalingan ko kanina. Andun. Yan po yung service gate kung saan ako pumasok. Okay? Sarado kasi sa harapan eh. Then, dito sa ating kitchen area, we have this built-in oven. Meron tayong cooktop, a 3-burner cooktop, and a range hood. Then ito, I think this space is para po sa refrigerator. Then meron tayong ditong bedroom dito sa ground floor for guest room, or pwede nyo gamitin as a senior room. May naka-install po na split type aircon and may sariling toilet and bath. Okay, so ito yung ating ground floor area. Napakita ko lang ulit sa inyo. Price po natin dito, 18.8 million. Pero, I believe, negotiable naman yan. Again, 18.8 million po. Okay? Nasa main road siya. So, in the future, if may intend kayo na mag-business, laki po na potential for commercial. Okay? Of course, malapit lang tayo sa gate ng Taytay. Then, andito tayo sa second floor. Dito sa second floor, we have 4 bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own toilet and bath. And a built-in cabinet. Yung master's bedroom natin, naka-walk-in closet. Okay? So, first bedroom. May mga split type aircons na rin po pala na naka-installed. Okay? And then, ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Sorry, naputol. Napindot ko yung stop button. Okay, so first bedroom, napasok ko natin. And then, ito yung second bedroom. Actually, almost same lang siya doon sa first bedroom na pinasok ko. Naka-mirror image lang po tayo dito. Okay? So sabi ko sa inyo, same lang. May naka-installed na aircon, split type aircon, may cabinet, and may toilet and bath. Right? So ito yung master's bedroom, pero mamaya ako napapasukin. Pakita ko muna sa inyo tong third bedroom natin dito sa second floor. So, itong third bedroom and yung second bedroom, ito yung parehas na. Parehas. So, iba na orientation pagdating sa toilet and bath. So, ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. So, may mga shower partition na rin. Again, may split type aircon and may built-in cabinet. Iba pala ng orientation to. Akala ko the same lang with the second bedroom. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3 bedrooms na yung napasok natin dito sa ating second floor. Last part is yung ating master's bedroom. Siyempre, mas malaki yung master's bedroom natin. Ayusin ko lang yung camera, ha? Yan. So yung nakikita nyo is main road po yan. Dito sa Greenwoods. Okay? Main road yan. Then, ito yung ating walk-in closet dito sa ating master's bedroom. Kabilaan yan, may cabinet. Okay? And meron tayo ditong toilet and bath. So ito, naka-full yung ating shower enclosure dito sa private bathroom ng ating master's bedroom. Right? Then walk-in closet, and then ito yung space ng bedroom. Okay. So again, review tayo. We're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Price natin dito, seller's price, this is 18.8 million as per seller. Again, as per seller, 18.8 million, pero negotiable naman po yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano, kung hanggang magkano negotiable. Wala pa po akong naging buyer na nagtanong for the last price or na-viewing. Kung magtatanong po kayo last price, i-viewing muna natin, ha? Mahirap po kasi i-negotiate kung hindi pa natin na-viewing, baka pagalitan tayo ng seller. Okay? So, yung number namin nandito sa screen. Message lang kayo if ever na interested kayo at gusto nyong i-view yung property. Hindi lang po ito yung minamarket natin dito sa Greenwoods. Marami po tayong projects dito. So, depende po yan. Pag nausap tayo sa phone, depende kung ano requirements nyo. Depende po sa payment terms. Ano pa ba? Depende sa income or capacity to pay natin, di ba? So marami po pwedeng i-consider. Tawag lang kayo or mag-message kayo, ako tatawag sa inyo if ever. Alright, so again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.